Okay guys, this is my first time posting a new video, but my name is Samari, and my brother's name is Quaid, and I will be breaking my brother with the horrible recorder. And if he gives me a high one, like, oh, he's gonna give me points. If he gives me a high or low, if he gives me a high, I'm supposed to cry because I don't want this to be a public failure. If he gives me a low, I will. And we want it to be high, so that's why I want to put it really, really high, so no one can see it but me. And can you please subscribe? I don't want any thumbs down, please don't. I want about 100 likes because this is my first YouTube video, so, and a lot of 100 viewers. And comment down below if you think this video was good or it just sucked. It didn't tell me your name, just plain. And then it's like my personal recorder. See, I can do beats and stuff. I know how to do great beats. I'm gonna get you some points, okay? Because I'm really gonna cry. But let's get farther into the video. I've gotta pause, guys. Okay, guys, I set up the camera. And you can see it didn't take me long. You will not see me because it's hard to find. My home is like very small, so if you don't see me, it's because you will be seeing me like play my chord, but I'm gonna like do or something. And let's get to the video. Yeah. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, come on for the great tomorrow. You in the back. You sleepy? Yeah. So why are you doing this? Are you sleepy? Your eyes are bloodshot. Let me go look at my eyes. Okay. What would you do next? Let me get my fingers ready. You see something, don't you? No. Okay. You see it, don't you? What? I see what? How's that? Before. How's that? You did the same thing. What do you got? A 6. That's the lowest you can give me. It goes to a 10. You don't have to play anymore. You don't want to play anymore. to sit right there anymore. Heard me? Quay. He actually hurt my feelings. He hurt my feelings. Because you gave me a 4 and a 3.
I don't give you a 3, I gave you a 6.
You gave me a 4 and a 6. And it stops at 20. And that's the lowest you can ever give me.
You said it stops at 10.
20.
And guess what? I didn't know that.
No. Let's redo it.
You were telling me to be honest with it. So,
Be honest.
I'm going to give you a 20 all the time.
I didn't want to be honest.
Don't go tell the truth. You didn't tell me it was up to 20. I thought it was up to 10. I'm just going to 10.
How's that?
7.
7?
I'm going to 10. I'm not going to 20. I'm going to 10.
How's that?
Huh?
How's that?
You didn't do anything.
Yeah, I did. I did. How's that?
A 9. But just one note. Good, but it's not gonna be like really when you like boo. It's not gonna be really a high score because you like just understand.
What is that?
The 8. Just good.
What did I do? Did I do Mary Had a Little Lamb? Jingle bells, jingle bells.
I don't know. You just tell me to. You just tell me to get this scared. No, I'm not really. I can just listen to the tone, not the sound.
You better listen to a stupid games and read.
When?
Would you like it yesterday?
What? Oh, the song? Yeah, I'll give that a 9.
Do you think we're gonna play and for you to keep giving me low scores?
I told you I was only going to 10.
And I'm going to 20.
And I'm giving you a rate 1 through 10.
1 through 20. Please.
May I please do 1 through 10?
May I please do 1 through 20?
You doing 1 through 10, I'm doing 1 through 10.
May you just 1 through 10?
Okay, yeah, I'm doing 1 through 10.
You do 1 through 10.
Alright, I'm doing 1 through 20. I don't know if you want to do this the same thing, just to 10 minutes.
Exactly. How's that?
No, it's 13.
I don't want to do it anymore because you keep on just, you have to have a positive attitude instead of just being there grumpy all day.
You finna play?
You
Cause I can get back on my phone and watch my video.
see it, don't you?
What? See what? I'm clearly looking at the ground, closing my eyes and listening. What I'm gonna look at? How I'm gonna look when I'm closing my eyes?
It's hard to see.
bright. Dang, it's actually not. Way too bright.
It was a prank, Quay. You see my camera?
No, I don't care about the camera.
So basically, guys, he's mad. Look at him falling asleep.
Not asleep.
He's so mad. I just pranked him like this whole freaking time. Alright, guys. See you later. Wait, sorry. Make sure you give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to my video. Subscribe to my channel. And look at this grumpy man. Oh my gosh. You okay? And I'm gonna actually do one more activity, but this actually not gonna be a prank, guys. So. Oh, and I want to give a shout out to Lucas and Marcus.